Look at me, I'm up. I'm standing up.
You're doing good?
I was standing up there.
Oh my god, you're doing so good.
Oh,
honey.
oops. I went in neutral.
It's okay. Are you still okay?
Yeah, I stalled.
Okay.
No problem.
Just let me know if you need anything.
I was standing up, and then when I got down to the ground, it went to neutral and stalled. I was getting so hyped.
You're doing amazing, hon. Oh, this is good for me too to take a little rester.
Yeah, yeah.
Let's do this.
Let's do this. I feel awesome.
Me too, honey.
This is dope.
So dope. It's beautiful, honey.
The tires are doing so well.
I'm so happy. I bought them to be like good for this purpose, you know?
Uh-huh. I went over big ones.
Me too. I'm going over huge ones right now. Okay, I've got my... I'm gonna take a break here, okay?
Uh-huh. I'm gonna brake up here. Is that okay? Because it's a little bumpy there.
Yeah, for sure.
Wow. That's so dope.
That is so cool, honey. Let me scope something out real quick, okay?
Okay.
Babe, do you want me to do this part for you?
What?
This rocky area, or you think you'll handle
I think I can handle it. I'll go slow.
it? Okay. Sometimes, like, I know you'll handle it. And if you need anything, I'll be there.
Yep. No issues. I got gear on.
Mm-hmm.
I wanted to let them go though.
Heck
Since
yeah.
it's tight as fuck.
Me too. The DR will do better than the KLR. I know it. It's built for that.
Uh-huh.
Cruising first.
Yep.
Oh my god. You're amazing. I I underestimated you. I did worse than you. I swear.
It's okay.
Okay. I'll be there. So we can keep riding. You down?
Yeah. Do you think this trail is good?
I think so.
Take your time.
Wow, you're amazing. I love you so
I
much.
love you so much.
You make me so proud.
You make me so proud, sweetie. I see there's walkers that way, so
Just go
no
slow,
problem.
okay?
I'll go slow. Oop, I stalled.
No problem.
No issue.
You okay?
Yep. Woo! Wow.
What did you do?
A ton of stuff.
Yo, that was complex stuff.
It really was.
Good job, tires. Were they holding you good?
Let me take it out.